What's up guys, Omar here, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage and Omar Realty. So it's getting dark. It's gonna be the last one that we're gonna do. KB Homes. Plan number 2443 KB Homes. Built by KB Homes. And as you guessed it, KB Homes, they're pretty smart with this. Clever little suckers. 2,443 square feet this little chingadera is. And let's go ahead and get into this. And what in the Bohemian Rhapsody is this son of a gun? Damn, this is nice. I mean, it's very, very coastal. Coastal contemporary, would you call it? Well, let me show you guys. So as soon as you walk in, you have the stairway. We'll get there in a little bit, and I freaking hate stairs. But they put this little, I guess you would call it like, you know, where you would toss your keys and things will get lost behind there, but whatever. You have a little nook area there. Off to the left-hand side, you have your bathroom, which is like, I swear to God, it's like living in a beach house. Come over to the guest bedroom. Guest bedroom is pretty good size, 10 by 10, I'm going to assume, and I'm pretty close with these. Pretty damn close with these. You have yourself your little closet right over there. Coming out here, this is gonna be, which I'm assuming till recently, I didn't know that there's a closet specifically for towels. Well, that's it. And then coming over here, this is why I was a little bit shocked, because it's so like cream and brown. This is like every shade of brown that I've ever seen in my entire life that's in this house. Then you have your island right over here. Your kitchen is off to the right-hand side. So here, look, that's your front door. And then you come straight off to the right-hand side. Here's your kitchen area. It's got this little mini L countertop with a 6 burner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. And then you come over here, and then it's like, this is like one of those little wannabe wet bar type places, but it's not a wet bar, but it has like this little wine thing. And then what you do is you come across over here, and then it's, you know, this is actually very clever. They went ahead and put a little nook area with these floor-to-ceiling mirrors, which floor-to-ceiling mirror, anytime you have a lot of mirrors, it's always a great thing. But then they made a little nook just for the dining area. You know how the majority of the properties that you will go ahead and see, go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel, go through all the videos of all the other properties that we toured. But they made a specific nook just for the dining area right over here that comes straight out into this little patio area. Now, it's not the size. It's not the size. It's the motion in the, okay. This is the little patio area, which is a cool design. Like, I don't, like, what more could you possibly need? And it's good that it's covered, right? It's good that it's covered because you want to come and hang out here. And the one thing that would really suck, or not suck, one of the best things of having a covered patio is, I don't know if you guys are like me, but whenever you come out and it's raining, I like to go and sit outside, grab a blanket or something. I know that sounds super cheesy. Give me a break. I'm almost 40 years old. I'd like to do stuff like this now. Used to be once upon a time, I used to go out, have fun, I used to be the cool guy, and now I can't wait to go wear my pajamas. All right, let's go inside. All right, well then we have the other bedrooms. We have this bedroom right over here, 10 by 10, little closet right over here, and then, oh, this is like a little grid wall. I'm cool with that, that looks good. And then you come off to the side over here, you have your other full bathroom right over here. And then, oh, this is cute. Look at this. Look at this guy. This is what, the second, third bedroom, and then we're gonna go to the final bedroom, which is right here. So to give you a scale of size, these are 2 twin-sized beds and then 2 twin-sized beds. This is a pretty good size. You have your little closet, little weird animal heads that are just gonna be staring at you, and then last but not least, your laundry area. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and head up the stairs, and I know everybody loves how much I go up the stairs, have to close that door. This time you gotta suffer. You gotta suffer with me. We're gonna go up the stairs together, because my legs are burning, because I'm so out of shape, and I also just go up a bunch of stairs all day. So this is a nice little loft area. I love how comfortable and cozy that they made this. Like, this is really, this is cool. This is really nice. Like, you're gonna come here and you're gonna hang out, you're gonna lounge, you're gonna do your thing. Picture a TV here. You're definitely gonna need a TV there. The more TVs the merrier in my world. Coming off to the stairwell, so here's the stairwell, and then we're gonna go ahead and go up to the right, and then you have your master bedroom. This is kind of a small closet, but you know what they do whenever they have a small closet? They kind of do a little sneaky trick to you, and this is another sneaky trick. They have another closet here. So women, men, whatever you have, you could have one, the other person can have the other. Really nice sized bedroom, and windows. Windows are very important in any single house that you go to. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, it might as well just be completely all windows. Imagine if they had windows back there too. That'd be really sick. Okay, and then you come in, and I like how they did this guy. This is, I mean, I don't know, other than aesthetics, right? Like, what would be so great? Like, wouldn't it be just more, I mean, it's nice, right? I would put cabinets all the way to the top so I have more space. You know, I'd utilize as much space, but this is pretty cool. Then, of course, the closet, and then we have the bathroom. I'm not going to show you the toilet, okay? There's nothing special about the toilet. The toilet is right here. Whatever. I refuse to show you the toilet, but here's the toilet. Coming over here, you have his and her sink right on yonder, and then of course the wonderful little bathtub that you can go ahead and sit there, and then you could stand up and show your neighbors all that God has gifted you. And if you don't feel like going in the bathtub, then you could just jump in the shower. Leave that thing on and just be like, here you go, take it. Well, let's go ahead and review the property, give you a little run breakdown, and then we'll go from there. All right. Oh shit, I think I broke it. Typically I go in like a living room area or another room only because I think, but this room is so cute. It has this little thing, this little cathedral type of thing, and I just thought it was really nice. So, what do we got going on over here? Okay, so this is going to be, wrong one. Wrong one.
Maybe you do a quick cameo, I'll be like, you know, my man Omar here.
Alright, so today we're at the WestPort at Ponte, Vista, 27723 Rosewood Lane, San Pedro, California, 90732. KB Homes built. This is going to be plan number 2443, and KB Homes, the little clever suckers that they are, there's actually 2,443 square feet. It's a 2-story, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and of course you saw the loft. HOA here is going to be $450. Melrose is going to be between $300 and $3,500. And just so you know, whenever you get a property around here, and this goes for majority of new developments, right? Majority of new developments are all around the same thing. Solar is a big thing here in Southern California. Solar is a massive thing. So when you do purchase a house, the house will not come with solar. You'll have to add that on unless you buy the model homes, and then the model homes are already going to have all that integrated within it. Now the price point on these ones is going to be starting at $1.294 million, and that is going to be all she wrote. And that is going to conclude our day. I am tired. I'm going to go home. I'm going to go have a beer, and I am finished. But if you are interested in this property or any other property, just remember, link in the description below, up to 50% commission rebate on this property or any other property. And for all mortgaging assistance, hit that like, subscribe button, help this channel grow. And until next video, guys, peace! I'm gonna go ahead and stand corrected, okay? We went ahead and stayed back a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and introduce one of the guys. Really super nice guy. KB employees are always really cool. They always help out us brokers with giving us information that we need, helping us out get an idea of what's going on in the surrounding areas. But this property, as we have, go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name's Sam.
Sam, he's one of the sales guys here at KB Homes. He's the guy that he's the first person you're gonna see when you come in. Other than me, you're gonna see me first. Then you're gonna go ahead and see Sam. And then Sam, this property, okay, these properties that we have going on over here, which ones are we have? What are the HOAs, and what do people need to know about these properties before that normal people wouldn't really ask?
Well, right now you can kind of get in on the first phase, which is typically when you want to get in with a builder. The HOA here is roughly 210. It's guard gated. We have a pool, a spa,
Okay, so typically when you have new builds, right, they have a bunch of different phases that they have going on. Typically, with your experience, right, working with new builders, how long does each phase take? And typically, rough ballpark it, how many phases does it usually take until completion?
Each project's a little bit different. Right now, we see a build cycle of about 6 months from dirt to completion. Sometimes it's 9 months, but usually 6 months is about what is to be expected.
Which is a relatively, really respectable time to go ahead and give a new build, especially when you have these types of caliber homes, right? So whenever you are thinking about buying homes, first phase is always the best phase to get into. The first phase is like the business, because every single time that you purchase a house, Sam, what happens to the next house?
Price goes up.
Price goes up, everything increases. So your comp is gonna be beneficial to you as it keeps going and keep going. So if you get into the first phase, you're gonna already be bankrolling later on down the line. Typically, and correct me if I'm wrong because you are the better guy to ask these things, they usually take about 2 to 3 years, rough ballpark, to complete the whole entire project. Is that kind of a ballpark?
That's about right. Each project is a little different. Yeah, we see about 2 to 3 years.
My man, Sam. Well, Sam, KB Homes, San Pedro Square, please go ahead and hit up, man. Hit me up first, then we'll go ahead and meet Sam.
Sounds good.
Thank you, my brother. Appreciate all the information.
Absolutely.
And I will leave link in bio. Do you have Instagram or anything like that? If you do, I'll get it from him later, but we'll go ahead and worry about all that stuff later. Till next video, guys. Peace.